1, go.
And the bots are off. Team 1261, the Rebel Lions on the blue line, scoring that first coral of the game. On top of level 4 for 7 points for their alliance. Team 6925, WA Robotics to position themselves in front of the reef as the Commodores continuing placing those coral in the autonomous section. They're going for the second one, but there's not quite enough time in the autonomous portion. Only 3 points separate these two teams going to the teleop portion with Team 1414 IHOT looking to get some more coral from the human player station, deposit it onto the reef. The Commodores have lined themselves up as the IHOT is waiting behind them. The Rebel Lions continuing placing those coral on top of level 4 for 5 points each. Team 1260, Team 1648 G3 Robotics trying to get some more coral on top of the reef right now. They're going all the way up to level 4 for 5 points. Yes, they can. Team 1414 IHOT trying to shoot some algae into the net, but they take a break to get some coral onto the coral reef. The Commodores continue completing that top section of the reef, getting their coral for 5 additional points. Team 3344, the Space Dragons, have found themselves on the Red Alliance side playing defense against the Commodores, and now IHOT. Team 6925, WA Robotics, seeing if they can try to get some coral onto the coral reef as the Rebel Lions try to get some more coral on top. Team 1648, G3 Robotics, is going all the way up to the surface of the sea along with Rebel Lions. Both miss and fall to the bottom of the sea. 6919, the Commodores shove 3344 out of the way to get some coral from the human player station. IHOT is looking hot by getting some more coral on top of in the third section of the reef for 4 points for their alliance. WA Robotics now trying to get moving that algae to give it to put. They're going for 2, they're going for 3, their third one bounces out, but they make their 4th shot, bringing their total score up to 87 with the Red Alliance sitting at 107. With only 40 seconds remaining in the match, Team 6925 WA Robotics getting some more coral from the human player station now as 3344 continues defending one of the human player stations against the Commodores. Team 1648, the G3 Robotics getting some more coral on level 3 for 4 points each with in the Rebel Alliance help. Looks like they're trying to go for that coral ranking point. With only 20 seconds left remaining in the match, we are still neck and neck, only 12 points separate these two teams. 3344, the Space Dragons are looking like they're going to try for a deep climb. The Commodores are in the air. 3344 Space Dragons are in the air. 6925 is getting themselves parked for 2 points. 1648 G3 Robotics is trying to climb. Only 1 point separate these two teams right now. All 6 robots are underneath the barge right now. 1648, 3344, and 6919 are all in the air. We'll have to wait for the final scores to see who will win this match. And the scores are in. The winner is going to go to the Blue Alliance with a final score of 141 to 144. Separated by only 3 points, the Blue Alliance takes the victory, earning a total of 5 ranking points, bringing the Rebel Alliance all the way up to the 4th seed and G3 up to 7th.